8 months now, I've been designing a simple day trading system to trade both gold and SAUSSD. And in this video, I'll be sharing you that edge for free. So to trade any strategy of any kind, you need rules to trade. So in this video, I'll be sharing those rules and how you can actually trade them effectively on the chart. So welcome back to this YouTube channel. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Akiwole Victor, aka VstreakFx. What do I do on this channel? What I do on this channel is to make every trader that watch my video a consistent and a profitable trader. Trading is a business of number. You only need to follow the rules and follow the 5 basic principles of trading to achieve trading success. And in this YouTube channel, I'll be teaching you that consistently, teaching both edge and how you can manage your psychology. So let's get into the chart. To trade any strategy of any kind, you need to have rules that will guide you. And in today's video, I said I'll be teaching you a simple day trading strategy that you can use to make millions in this year 2025. This is a personal day trading system I use to trade both pounds USD and gold every London section. So let's get started. So what is actually the first rule? The first rule is that you are trading it during London section. So the rules. The first rule is what is being traded. Rule is trading during London section. Trading during London section. Then so it's a simple day trading system which makes use of 3 time frame where you have okay, I think I even have it here, where you have 3 time frame to be in sync. You need the time frame must be in 2 time frame must be in sync. So if you are coming to the day and the 30 minutes is actually bullish and the 15 minutes is bearish and the 5 minutes is bearish, so for that day, then the trade you'll be taking during that London section will be sales. You're taking only sell trades, and well, you'll be taking those trades on what? On your 1 minute time frame. So 1 minute TF, 1 minute TF trade. So you'll be taking the trade on 1 minute time frame, and on that 1 minute time frame, you must also be going with the trend. 1 minute time frame must be with the daily trend. So look at, these are the rules. We have 30 minutes, we have 15 minutes. You are using just 3 time frames plus your entry time frame, which is the 1 minute. So when you already have your when you already have your time direction for the day by checking from the 30, 15 and 5 minutes go down to the 1 minute, and you know how to check your trend. So let's go through the way we can actually identify our market direction. So to get an uptrend, you have to see what? Creation of what? Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. And how can a new high be created? There must always be what? A break of structure. There must always be what? A break of structure. Before a new high can be formed, it must break the previous what? It must break the previous high. Oh, sorry, this is not the thing I want to even use to. There must be what? A break of structure. And what does a break of structure means? When the price is breaking a level of support or a level of what? Resistance. So this is how the trend must look like, either in an uptrend. This is an uptrend, and in the downtrend market, we will be having a creation of what? Lower low, lower. This is our lower high. A new creation of a new lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. This signifies what? A downtrend. Let me label it for those who love to write. This is higher high, So we have our higher high here. This is the best way to get the market direction. Then we have our higher low, and this is the foundation of the system. If you fail to understand how trend is being created, you'll find yourself missing out. So I said the trading was during London. Let me add, and it's from early hours of London trading time. Let me add this trading time. 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. Early hours of London. So you are trading early hours of London. So early hours of London. So let me label for the downtrend also. If you don't have a rule that guides you to trade, that's the beginning of actually a failure. Your failure starts when you fail to have a rule. Your system must be a rule-based system. This is your lower high. Let me clone it. Then we have our lower low. I'm gonna clone it. Oh, sorry. Clone, yeah. So you must be able to understand how the markets move in order to trade, because this strategy is fully a trend-based strategy. So you need to learn the full trend, how to read the trend, and how the trend is going to be changing also. So if there will be a change of direction to this downtrend, there must be a change of character. The change of character must happen at the lower high to change to an uptrend. So we have CH or CH. You must have a change of character. Some call it a shift of structure before the price will now start making what a new wave to the upside. And if this also wants to change to a downside, there must be what a change of character. Yeah. How the price moves, this is how the price moves. There will be a change of character to the downside. You note that yes, the price change to the downside. You must understand this. And now, going to where we will take the trade with our 1 minute time frame. So on before 8 a.m. of our trading time, just place the tool to mark your 8 a.m. and if the market is possibly coming. The main thing is that you want to take your trade on 1 minute at the direction of the day. So what I just want to see is what on that 1 minute you must focus on lower low and lower high. So either you see it before the session or when during that 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. market to change the downside and look for the trade. So after that, now we will be using our peak levels, our confidence towards these are the components you need. So one, you need your fib level 2. and how do you use your fib level tool? I've made a video of how you can make your use your fib level tool. There are different ways in which you can use it, and at my fib level I only have 3 levels. So these are the levels that are on, just 3 levels that make use of 3 levels. So don't be confused. 0.79, 0.705, 0.762. So you can quickly screenshot the levels and add it, implement it to your chart. So you have these 3 levels. These 3 levels must be matching with an area of what support and resistance. That's like a key level. You must first have this. You must do the trend 1. 2, you must have a support and resistance at that level, and you must have a fib level, or you must have a fib level. Fib level is compulsory. If there are scenarios whereby you have your EMA there also, you add extra confidence, but you must have your fib level to get the retracement. So the price always make a constant wave like this. So what the fib level basically help us to get our next leg, where the next leg will be happening. So we're looking forward to have that area there. So we have fib level. Then at that zone, any of those levels there, we'll be waiting for what? For pounds USD, same thing, both pounds USD on gold. I told you just on that, but I just want to give you a stop loss rule. So you're waiting for your entry at any of this level to see any of the candlestick, like the mornings, any of the sorry, any of the reversal candlestick pattern, either the morning star candlestick pattern, the evening star, any of the entry candlestick pattern that that works very well, you can implement it. So when you see that entry candlestick, you enter and you go for what? A risk reward of 1:3. For pounds USD, I make sure my stops are always above this place of entry, and my max stop loss on GU, my max stops on GU is 7 pips. 7 pips. Sorry. So the max stop loss I make use of on this is what? 7 pips. I make use of 7 pips, and I target a decent 1:3. So how do you go through about this strategy again? You must be with the trend. You must what? Be with the trend. You must have 2 time frame in sync before your 1 minute time frame. Don't forget, we're looking for our entry on the 1 minute, still same with the market direction for the day. And you must looking in that your area of interest. There must be the trend, support and resistance. You must have a fib level, candlestick. Then let me give you my break even rule. So if you have your price striking here, going down, when the price breaks structure here, make sure you move your stop to your entry level. Really, you have a break of structure, move your stop, because the chances that the trade may actually have a pullback, and you don't know how the pullback may be deep, it can go back and reverse and change character. So always make sure your stops are in your entry. Really, you have a break of structure. So this is how I get to trade it. I love to give you an example. So okay, you get it already. So let's. This was a trade. I'm just playing with randomly. I think this is 8 a.m. for today. No, this is 9 a.m. I'm looking for 8 a.m. for today. This Tuesday. Looking for 8 a.m. Okay, sorry. 8 a.m. Okay, today I guess I did not see any trade. But let me just cite an example. You may not see this trade every day, but anytime that trade gets to appear is actually a win. I'm not this kind of person that will come and show you, oh, this is what happened today. Days that there are no volume, there's nothing I can do. I'll stay on my hands. So this 8 a.m. I think the direction for the day was bearish. I was looking for a trade. You can see market was not making that good wave, and just make sure you find a way you can get it. If you have any issues with it, you can actually comment if you are finding it hard to implement this strategy. Oh, I hope my camera is not covering the video, the rules. So look at it very well, please. Copy it down, write it down. So if you want me to teach you this strategy privately, I'll be dropping my link in my description box. So I don't want this video to be more than 15 minutes to 16 minutes. So make sure you watch it, try to digest it to your pen, and go to the chat and backtest. If you have any issues, drop a comment. I'll send a DM to you instantly. So have a wonderful day.